Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EKSO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows, and then you look at where it closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move. However, that does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And I want to scrunch up the chart here a little bit just so this makes a little bit more sense. And that level is down here at $1.85. Why is $1.85 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.85. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. And that's a pretty big old range. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then starts to head back up. What would you have in that situation with a pretty drastic pullback? Well, even with the drastic pullback, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction and not going back to where it was. Again, a break below $1.85 or worse is literally putting the price right back inside of that range. And not to insult your intelligence, but going back is just not a sign of truly, of true strength on the bull's part. But as it stands right now, the price is well up above there. So $1.85 is essentially kind of that last resort. Preferably speaking, if the price could stay up above $1.90, that would be great. But from the big picture, for the reasons discussed, $1.85 is essentially that must-hold level of support. So all in all, very nice move today. Mainly very nice move this afternoon, because the first opening part of the day, there was nothing really going on. But now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.